Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to generate images on ChatGPT. So first things first, you will need to have a ChatGPT 4 in order to create an image. I already have it, so make sure you have it. It costs around $20 per month, but you get a lot of plugins and tools. So first thing, you want to go ahead and explore GPTs, and from here you can go ahead and find image generator, for example, this one, generating and refining images with a mix of professional and friendly tone. Another thing would be DALL-E. I think you already know it. Your imagination turns into images. So let's, for example, use DALL-E, start a chat. And now let's ask for it to create, for example, something like so, create a giraffe wearing a dress and walking on the desert. And you just wait a little bit for it to create your image. You can also choose a type of image, so like graffiti, oil painting, chalk, art, moss, pinhole camera, and also aspect ratio. Here are the images which I asked for. Now, you can choose a square, widescreen, on vertical. I'm happy with the widescreen, but you can choose whichever you like. Now, as you can see, there's some type of oil paintings and so on and so forth. We can now look at the image. And for example, this one is way better for me. You can also select and edit the image if you want to, or just download your image, just like so. Now let's look at the quality of the image. Now, if you're asking for image quality, I just asked for it. So the images are generating a resolution at 1792-1024, which provides a high level of detail and clarity. If you need some adjustments, you can always ask DALL-E for a better quality or a different resolution and, of course, aspect ratio. So that's basically it with DALL-E. Now let's go ahead and choose that image generator we saw. Start a chat. And for example, let's generate an image of futuristic city. Let's choose this example. Now it will create an image just like DALL-E. Now, here is the image. And now if you would like to have some adjustments or added additional details, you just go ahead and write it here on this image generator. So for example, remove that blue shining color and maybe that's it. For example, I don't really like that here. So let's see if it will understand me and create a new image like so. Now, it didn't really do that, but it's without a blue shiny color. So maybe it's a part of the sky. But basically, you can ask anything you like and it will create you an image. So that's how you use a ChatGPT and generate images. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.